The elves arrive as a massive hurricane is tearing across the Gulf Coast. Terrible in size, it is supercharged by record oceanic temperatures. Suffering refugees from the outer islands are everywhere. The elves encounter serious turbulence as they attempt to land near the Holy Man.
Hello, blessed sir. Diana and Zuma sent us.
Hello, elves. Yes, I know. Zuma sent word.
This storm was terrible. It seems calmer now.
We are just now in the eye of the hurricane.
We are going to the District of Columbia to see the executive about this terrible warming around our precious home and planet, Earth.
Please, tell us how to deal with this, Your Holiness.
We must bring the human family together. We human beings are united as brothers and sisters on a wonderful pilgrimage, woven together by the love God has for each of His creatures. Human beings are capable of rising above themselves and having the ability to change. We must teach and remind our brothers and sisters that everything is connected. Nature cannot be regarded as something separate from ourselves or as a mere setting. Ecosystems purify water, control illnesses, epidemics, form soil, and break down waste. People living on our planet need to dialogue with each other and with science on these issues. Coasts like this one will continue to be affected first, and the poor people will suffer most. The worst is felt by developing nations, which points to our own loss of responsibility to our fellow man.
Look at that man. He's covered in ticks.
The mindset which leaves no room for sincere concern for the environment is the same mindset which lacks concern for the most vulnerable.
What is wrong with humans?
We are enthralled with technology, which promises unlimited growth. But this leads to the planet being squeezed dry. When life gradually becomes surrender to technology, technology then becomes the meaning of existence. There goes Amazon and Walmart and Facebook. This technology and automation-driven world is making humans irrelevant. These companies are not bad, but the fact that we give them such free rein over our lives is. Nature is filled with words of love as we seek to overcome unhealthy anxiety, which makes us superficial, aggressive, and compulsive consumers.
Thank you for the lesson, Your Grace.
Good luck working with the leaders towards solutions, elves. They have been subject to too many special interests, ignoring the common good.
Thank you. Goodbye, blessed holy man.
As the hurricane resumes its full force, they hop on their chariot and zoom away to the coal mines of Kentucky.